What's up, style babes? Welcome back to my channel. It's Tiandra Oriana and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I do my own lash extensions. But I have a secret for y'all. They're not really individual lashes, they're lash clusters, and they give you that individual lash look. Today I'll be working with the company Pro Lash. They are an Amazon company that sells lashes. They sell individuals and clusters as well. I went with the clusters because that's just my go-to. They sent me over the Mix Flips. So that is what it looks like, so y'all can see. And they look so cute. I cannot wait to put them on. And real quick, if you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you are notified every single time that I post. If you are returning, don't forget to hit that like button. And let's hop into the video. Okay, so the three things that you will need is lashes, of course. You can also cut up strip lashes if you want, but I just choose to do the clusters because they're already done for me. And then you're gonna need some tweezers. Regular tweezers that you pluck your brows with will do. You don't have to get the lash ones. And then glue of your choice. This is hair glue that I got from the beauty supply store. I use this for my strip lashes as well. It works for me, you know. I don't rip them off too hard that it, takes out my real eyelashes, so it works for me. And this is another glue. It's the V-Lux by Envy. This is the extended overnight one. I haven't tried this one out yet. I think I've heard good reviews about it so far, like if you mix the two glues that they have, but I have yet to try that. So I'm just gonna stick with my usual. So usually it's like listed like small, medium, large, but I don't see that this has like a mix, on it. I just see that, I think it might be just one straight size, I think. Well, it looks like the middle are the longest ones, and then the side ones are the short ones. So I'm just gonna take one from the middle. So I just like to get a little bit on the side, a little bit of the rat tooth comb, and just dip that in there. Right, and then I just apply it onto here. So I really feel like everything is really self-explanatory. Like I don't really know how to explain it too well. But you see, I'm just applying it right on that lash line. Don't apply it on the little red part because that's the inside of your eye. Please don't do that. And then once I apply that on there, I do a little tap motion just to make sure that it's on there. And yeah, I just fill it out, see how it's looking, see how it's feeling, blink a little bit, make sure it's secure because you don't want it to slip off. I've had that happen before. And I'm just gonna carry on with the video. Alright, so there we have it. This is the first eye that is done. I don't know, I'm kind of like indecisive. I don't know if I want to add like one more right here to make it like very full, but sometimes when I do that, it does irritate my eye a bit. Alright, yeah, so I'm still deciding. I'm gonna do the left one off camera because I am filming a TikTok video. If y'all don't follow me on TikTok, make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. We are growing day by day, so give me a follow. I post a lot of content on there as well. All right, so I'm back, and this is how they look. I actually ended up adding more clusters. Like I stacked them under the first one. So this one, I just added one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest because I just like how it looks. I feel like it looks more fuller. These lashes are definitely more of like a natural kind of look. Normally when I do my clusters and even with my strip lashes, I like for like, you know, volume to really be out there. Alright, so I did it. I stacked one eye and I just want to know, can you tell the difference? Like, I feel like that made a major difference in how they look. It definitely gave it more volume and I really like that. This is definitely great if you like natural, but I'm a volume type of girl. So this is how it looks and I think it looks so cute. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Alright, style babes, so this is the finishing results. These are what they came out to be and they look so freaking cute. They look like lash extensions. It lasts me about a week long. I feel like it could go 2 weeks, but personally I just like to let my lashes breathe a bit. So here we have it. Everything will be linked down below. If you are interested, the style, everything will be linked down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new here. And if you are returning, don't forget to like this video, hit that bell so you are notified. Follow me on all my socials and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, style babes. Talking late night, boy.